All right, I am sitting here at 2 o'clock in the morning in Columbus, Ohio, playing with my Starlink. I can't get enough of it, so I have been hitting every speed test. I thought there was only just a couple speed tests. I thought there was the Google speed test. I thought there was Ookla, which is the one I always use. But then there's fast.com Speakeasy. I like that name. But then I see Xfinity. Why don't I put Xfinity test to the test? How does Starlink do with a Verizon product? Let's see. See if it gives me some decent results. It's climbing up, it's messing around. It's not that fast here, it's saying, but it does say my all systems are go. At this speed, your computer should have no trouble sending and receiving emails, streaming HD video, speedy downloads, browse the internet, and stream 4K video. All right. Hold on, let me check that out again. Was that a cool animation or what? So that must be upload speeds because everything's going up. Alright, I like Xfinity, cool. The only thing I don't like is it just, download speed is 142, but it doesn't show my upload speed. But it does say blazing fast. It's actually better than, it is blazing fast because it's much better than my Verizon cell phone service right now. Yeah, I have to give a big shout out and a thank you to Elon for creating something amazing that kind of changed my life. Along with Bob and Debbie from Blue Wave Odyssey, changing my life, letting me know that these things even exist and sending me a few boxes. I mean, with these things here, life's gotta be good. Go lay down, you truck driving feline. Go, leave me alone. She's freaking out. Anyway, for today's video, I want to unveil two new things. First, I want to give a huge shout out to Bob and Debbie over at Blue Wave Odyssey for thinking of me and Kat. Actually, as the cat does things with her noggin to my camera, they sent me this amazing package along with a few cat treats for the cat. Very thoughtful people, and they have an amazing backlog of YouTube videos that anybody should check out. Their adventures have been amazing. But real fast, before I do the Starlink unboxing stuff, that's right, come to find out, it's verified by me. I'm the very first truck driver to have Starlink in his truck anywhere in the United States. RVers got them. Some truck drivers have them set up at their homes, but nobody has them out here on the truck. I'm a first. Again, I was first with Dish Network back in the day, very first truck driver to have it on his truck. And with only 100 and something thousand subscribers to Starlink right now around the globe, I am the first truck driver. Though it's not always going to stay in my truck, it's going to hop back and forth between my RV. But TM, trademarked, first truck driver here in the United States to have Starlink travel with him in the truck, other than the FedEx drivers that deliver them. But the first one to have it set up in the truck. So here we go. Lucky Charms, just magical mushrooms. Magical marshmallows. Dyslexia kicked in there. Now, Debbie from Blue Wave Odyssey, and her channel is Blue Sky Odyssey. Kat, why are you shaking my camera with your noggin? What? What? Just leave me alone so I can do an unboxing. Let me do an unboxing. All right, so Debbie at Blue Wave Odyssey messaged one of my YouTube videos and said, it was like the king size cereal box video I have, and said, you know what's even more incredible? They sell just the marshmallows, not the mushrooms again. and they tape this up good. They don't want this coming off. Yeah, so I said, no way. So ever since she mentioned that, I have been hitting the stores trying to find boxes of cereal, big boxes of cereal that is nothing but the marshmallows. I didn't know that they just come in a nice little box like this. So right off the bat, right when you open these Lucky Charms, there is a bag, like a cereal bag. Would you look at that? How awesome. And then you take the bag out, and it does. Who makes Lucky Charms? It's not Kellogg's, is it General Mills? I forget. So, oh, here there's also stuff here. Usually they give you fun facts, like the horseshoe is one of a kind. With the power of super speed, it's nothing to knock, since it speeds up the clock and helps you when you're in a bind. Collect all 8 magical marshmallow designs. On the bottom here it says hearts, stars, horseshoes, clovers, and blue moons, unicorns, rainbows, and tasty red balloons. What a nice box unboxing. I think I'm actually going to keep this box. That's a sturdy, nice box. But inside that box is the magic. Oh, it's the magic. And you don't have to no, this isn't for you. It's not kitty treats. It has a nice little peel seal thing here that you can peel and get into the bag. And would you guys look at that? It is nothing but marshmallows. Magical marshmallows. That's what I'm talking about. Thank you, Bob, Debbie, Blue Wave Odyssey. They're not going to last very long. You guys sent me 2 boxes. I needed about 50. Now for a second unboxing. My Starlink for RV did come. Obviously, I've been using it. Amazing product. It's not for those truck drivers out there that are thinking about getting Starlink for RV or home. It's great for if you're home and it's just your main internet source at home. It's great. On the road, use it as a backup. It's a great secondary backup for those times when you're in the middle of Iowa, Nebraska, even at the Florida-Georgia line. There's no cell phone service, nothing. You get zero internet. Keep whatever you're using for internet now, whether it's your hotspot on your phone or something like that, as your primary, and use Starlink as a backup. That's my suggestion so far. Just because sometimes it's hard to set it up if you don't have what's inside this box. So my plan with what is inside this box is I'm going to go to Harbor Freight and grab myself a flagpole, and on the back of my truck where our load lock holder is, I'm going to put a flagpole there, seal that up, an extendable flagpole, and mount this incredible engine. Ooh, it's heavy too. I thought it was, I've seen 3D printed ones. Oh, a lot of stuff is in here. Might as well just dump the whole bag out. That is a flagpole mount. So you could slide that right on top of the flagpole, or load lock if you so inclined. Put it on, screw into the sides. There's little holes here where you can put tension on the pole in case the pole's smaller than this diameter. And then you just put your Starlink in here, and you could raise it. You could raise the flagpole up and over your truck and trailer, get a good clear view of the sky. It's going to be awesome. Inside here, I'm assuming is little clips for your cable, and there are lots of little clips in there for your electrical cables, or for not the electrical cable, but the 75-foot satellite cable. Then you got the little screws and stuff in here with an Allen key, so you can put that on and remove it anytime you want and make it nice and steady on whatever pole. Also, they give you a bag, which I needed one of these for my Starlink. Was this big enough to put my Starlink, the dish in? Yeah, so you can put this, it's a Starlink thing, carrying bag for your dish. I've seen other videos of these, and I've been wanting one. And yeah, Starlink, if you get this kit, for $20 or $39 or however much it is, you're going to get all this stuff. So yeah, this, if you do get a Starlink for travel, especially in your truck, honestly, this would come in handy for your RV too. Hook a flagpole up to your ladder out back, connect it, connect this, and then anytime you go to the campground or you're out boondocking, easy setup. So yeah, definitely worth the purchase. If I was going to buy anything as a traveler with Starlink that's a necessity, this, because you don't want to set it outside like I have been doing, with the possible chance of another clumsy truck driver not paying attention to what he's doing and just run your whole system over. That would not be fun. Yeah, so that's quite a nice little haul today. I mean, as awesome as this stuff is for my Starlink system out here on the road, I would have to say that is just as awesome. So I want to thank everybody for tuning in tonight. I am going to go ahead and head over to Harbor Freight before heading down to Miami, so I can get this all connected, because that's the way I am. You get something new, you got to hook it up. You can't just wait. You got to do it. That's how I roll. Until the next time, thanks for tuning in. Future videos are going to be pretty much prepping for travel to the Philippines. Everything I'm doing 2 months before hopping on that airplane and heading over across the Pacific Ocean. And I hope you guys tune in for those. It's going to be all the prep work, what I feel I probably need to clear customs and all this other stuff. It's going to be a lot of those type of videos. So until then, peace out, everybody.